How do you handle numerical data on an Google worksheet? So I want to show you how you can handle numbers. A date is an example of a number. It's an example of numerical data. So to insert date, if you are using the example of this budget, you click on it, then you want to say you insert a column to the left, and there we have our column. So we want to name this column as date because we want to know when was this item purchased. Okay, so we'll start with the 1st August 01 stroke 08 stroke 2025. Then you click on enter. Moment you click on enter, it validates that particular date. So you can try scrolling down, like pulling it down like this. Let's see what happens. You see, when you pull it down like this, if the events or items were purchased on subsequent days, this one was on 9th, this one was on 10th, 11th, 12th until 13th when the labor happened. So you can also format these, making them bold. You can also use a text to fill these particular dates. You can, that's the text color. You can also apply fill. This is fill color. I want it to maybe something like blue. Blue doesn't work well with the red. Let's try another color. That is a good contrast. So you can also play around with the format. You can use this format to you can apply conditional formatting. You can change the format here. You highlight, then font you can change. You can also use a different font. You can apply these more formats. Date here. Okay, so you can click on that. So it gives you, yes, you can play around with the formatting the way you want. Yeah, but for Excel will give you more options, unlike Google Sheet. So I hope you can now insert a date on your worksheet. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next one.